Welcome to Math World. Relations and Functions, Exercise 1.1. Answers to questions 1 to 4. First question. Find Cartesian product of A and B, A and A, and B and A if elements of set A are 2, minus 2, 3, and elements of set B are 1 and minus 4. Cartesian product of A and B or A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs formed by taking the first element from set A and the second element from set B. 2, 1, 2, minus 4. Minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4. 3, 1, 3, minus 4. A cross A. Set A contains the elements 2, minus 2 and 3. A cross A is the set of all ordered pairs 2, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, minus 2, 3, 3. Cartesian product of B and A or B cross A. The elements of set B are 1 and minus 4. Elements of set A are 2, minus 2 and 3. The Cartesian product of B and A or B cross A is the set of all ordered pairs formed by taking the first element from set B and second element from set A. So B cross A is equal to the set of all ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 3. Find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Elements of set A and set B are P and Q. A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs P, 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 Q, Q, P, Q, Q. A cross A. The elements of set A are P and Q. A cross A is equal to the set of all ordered pairs P, 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 Q, Q, P, Q, Q. B cross A. B cross A is the set of all ordered pairs P, 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 Q, Q, P, Q, Q. Find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A if the set A contains elements M and N and B is a null set or an empty set. A null set is a set that contains no elements. A cross B is null set because B is a null set. So we cannot form ordered pairs. Now let us find A cross A. Elements of set A are M and N. A cross A is the set of all ordered pairs M, 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 N, N, M, N, N. B cross A is null set. Next question. Set A consists of elements 1, 2 and 3. Set B is the set of all x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. Set A contains the elements 1, 2 and 3. B is the set of prime numbers less than 10. A prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. So prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. The elements of set B are 2, 3, 5 and 7. A cross B is equal to set of all ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. B cross A is the set of all ordered pairs 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. Third question. If B cross A is equal to the set of all ordered pairs -2, 3, -2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, find A and B. Here, in each of the ordered pair, the first element is from the set B and the second element is from the set A. So, elements of set A are 3, 4. Here you can notice that elements 3 and 4 are repeating, but we cannot write 3 and 4 again in the set A because an element in a set cannot be repeated. So, the elements of the set A are 3 and 4. The elements of set B are -2, 0 and 3. Fourth question. Set A contains elements 5 and 6. Set B contains elements 4, 5 and 6. Set C contains elements 5, 6 and 7. Show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Let us find A cross A. The elements of set A are 5 and 6. So A cross A is equal to the set of all ordered pairs 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. We denote this as 1. Now let us find B cross B intersection C cross C. B cross B is equal to the set of all ordered pairs 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. C cross C is equal to the set of all ordered pairs 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. B cross B intersection C cross C is the set of all ordered pairs common to both B cross B and C cross C. Let us find the elements common to both B cross B and C cross C. Ordered pair 5, 5, ordered pair 5, 6, ordered pair 6, 5, ordered pair 6, 6. Denote it as 2. From 1 and 2 we get A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C.